make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear.
Alright, so as you can tell, we're replacing the two 4x4s we had for the gate with 6x6s. Show you guys here. Jade's got the garden in. Pretty much complete. So yeah, you know, this little machine is, for such a little digger, it's pretty capable, I think. So I dug all these posts in last summer with the backhoe because I was too cheap to go out and buy the post hole digger, like the auger, which I kind of regret because it took way longer. You know, you got way too big of a hole, a lot of concrete. I only ended up concreting the corners in. The ones in between are actually just treated on the bottoms and dumped right in the hole and tamped with a bunch of clay. So really surprised. I think I got 3 feet in. They didn't really pop. Looks like this one here may have had some issues, but other than that, they stayed pretty straight. I'm pretty surprised actually. These ones here we're gonna have the gate on, so I cemented these two in, but we're pulling those out. We're going with 6x6s and a 6x6 across and down, just big enough to get the tractor in. Gonna be a pretty heavy duty gate. Yeah, it's gonna say Jade's Garden or maybe Gilbert Gardens. I don't know. We'll burn that bridge as we cross it, as the saying goes. Went and got a yard of 3/4 inch clear, yard of sand, bunch of Portland cement. So these will be right sturdy. So let's get after it.
I'm just enough to make you smile, and you need me to hold you close, and all your fears that you dream of will disappear and flutter on. Whoa, hold on just a little. We'll meet right here in the middle ground is where we'll stand. Just look on, and I'll look down, and all your fears have run aground. Then you said, all I ever wanted was to love like this. All I ever needed was to feel like something more than a closed door flat on the floor. I can offer so much more. All I ever wanted was to feel at ease. All I ever needed was to get up off my feet.
Alright, little status update. Drag the huge gate in. I'm gonna go down 4 feet. That should get us right to here. Pour the concrete tour. Make sure these are nice and square. I think I'm going to be able to kind of get center here with the back bucket and actually lift that up and in if we just get the butt. Call it the butt. I feel like I'm setting a H-frame structure at work. Get the butt next to the hole there and just flop it in. It'll fall and then I'll get it decently straight. And then I guess before all that I should get my trailer backed in with the 3/4 inch gravel and the sand and the Portland and the mixer and just get everything ready to go to cement these in ASAP.
'Cause I believe in hold on just a little.
So, you want to lift it?
Okay, fucking, you lift it a wee bit, we'll come forward. I'm gonna tape a fucking, this on here too. Okay, coming ahead.
Middle ground.